Well, good afternoon everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're going to do a little parts inventory for the Tacoma up there. You know, I was looking around the garage, looking at things that I have to do yet. These are mods and things that I have not installed yet. And I thought, you know, I'm going to take a little look around myself. Thought I'd bring you guys with me, just to see what's coming up on the channel. So we're actually going to start, strangely, here in the laundry room, because I'm storing something in here. Let's see if I remember. Yeah, right up there. Ooh, there's a giant spider. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Let me zoom in. Oh my God, look at the size of that monster. Oh, he's gonna have to die. I don't know how I'm gonna take care of that thing. Oh my God, that thing's as big as my hand. Oh crap. Hold on, I'll be right back. Well, I broke my mop because I hit the spider so hard, I knocked the end of my mop off. But whatever I did, it did knock him down. I don't know if this thing will focus up there for you guys. Let me zoom out. I think I'm too close. There you go. Whatever I did, it seemed to work. He spun a little bit of a web and then just kind of curled up like he's dead. I'm hoping he's dead and not like resting. I don't know, but I'm gonna have to hit him one more time. So let's see. I have the end of my mop, which is now broken. Actually, I think I'm gonna fix this real quick. He doesn't seem like he's going anywhere up there. Okay, I've knocked him down. I'm hoping he's like laying up there dead, but anyway, as many of you may know, I don't like spiders or cockroaches. So that thing was about, it wasn't as big as my hand. It's probably as big as the palm of my hand. It's the biggest one I've seen here yet. I think it was just a common spider. I don't know. But anyway, shaken but not stirred. Let's carry on. All right. As I was saying, right up there are the speakers that are going to go in the front doors on my Tacoma. So that's going to be coming up. I'm going to need to install those. So let's get out of this spider den here. Ooh, wow. All right, that was rather terrifying. Let's head out here into the garage. Right here beside me, you guys can see we have, of course, the RCI boxes. That is going to be a bed rack for the Tacoma up there for my spare tire project and other things. But that's going to be coming up. That should be pretty cool. I've kind of been waiting a little bit on that because honestly, I'm sure I'm going to need more parts and things to do what I want to do. But I can't go to Lowe's or Home Depot or anywhere to get what I need. So when I get into projects like that, I want to be sure that I'm going to be able to do what I need to do and complete it, if that makes any sense. So we're kind of hanging out with that one a little bit, kind of waiting. Now, next up, right down here, and this one's going to be done pretty soon, I think. It's the TRD Skid Plate. With, of course, the Voodoo Blue TRD lettering that I put in. That comes from TUFSKINZ, by the way. A few people have asked me about that. All I did was pull out the red ones, and then these are double adhesive, rather, double-sided adhesive tape, and stuck those in the spots. Pretty simple to do, and I love the look. It should look really good with the Voodoo truck up there. Now, if you don't know, let me show you real quick, just so you can see. The skid plate, of course, goes right in place of the OEM two-piece skid plate that you can see there. We have the front here, and that will be removed, and then we have the one right behind it. That will be removed as well. Now, I believe, now you can't see it from right here, I don't think, but there is the drain plug that's up there, of course, to drain the oil. And the thing that I really like about this TRD skid plate is it has a little door here, a little compartment, if you will, or cover, I guess, that you can take off. So once you have the skid plate on, you don't have to remove this skid plate to do an oil change. All you have to do is remove the 4 screws there, and you of course have access to the drain plug. So that should be pretty cool, although as convenient as that is, I do have a concern with that. And what that is that if you take that off, it's rather tight under there still with that drain plug. So my concern is that it's going to be at the dealership. They're going to go ahead and remove that little cover, which I would certainly expect they would. That's what I would do. But the oil, when it comes shooting out of there, is probably going to end up on the back side of that skid plate. That's a major concern for me, because I don't want to have oil all over the back of that skid plate that will continuously drip in my garage, possibly and hopefully in the trays that I have up there, you know, under the lift or under the truck on top of the lift. Because if it doesn't, that means then that oil is going to drip on my Jeep Gladiator below, which of course I don't want to happen. So I'm a little concerned that, there I am looking to the left. Somebody pointed out recently and asked me, why are you always looking to the left? Well, to be honest, because every once in a while I catch something flying by or something, and I am curious if it's a person. That's kind of why. But anyway, that's my big concern, is that they're going to go ahead, they being the dealership, do my oil change, shoot oil all over the back of that thing, and not clean it off. I don't know, we'll see. It's going to be interesting the first time, because obviously I have the lift, so I'll be able to put the truck up on the lift and take a look at that myself. But until I do that, I'll be very curious and concerned as to how the dealership will handle having that TRD skid plate on there. Anyway, there are a couple of other things coming. I'm going to be ordering some more stuff, I think, here pretty quick. More cosmetic type things. And one more thing I wanted to mention, a couple of folks have asked me about that they noticed. Over here, of course, these are the old skid or steps, running boards, I guess, from my Tundra. So they're not obviously going on the Tacoma, but you'll see an air raid cold air intake here. That cold air intake is actually for the Jeep, so it's not for the Tacoma up there. If you've seen, my Tacoma actually has a TRD cold air intake. So just to settle that right now, I did not buy an air raid intake for the Tacoma. It is indeed for my Jeep Gladiator. Anyway, I just kind of wanted to do a little run through with you guys. Take a look. I've got some other things I'm sure put away that I haven't pulled out yet. For instance, some Raptor style lights for the front grille. Still trying to figure out how to put those in. They don't really fit in the slots in the new grille like they did with the other. So again, I need to be able to go to Lowe's or somewhere. There I go again. Go to Lowe's or somewhere and kind of come up with some sort of a bracket or something to get those in behind that grille. And I think I should be able to do that with just some metal. But I got to be able to get there. Anyway, want to show you guys, if you have any questions about anything, or maybe there's something you'd like to see, I'd be curious. Leave a comment down and let me know. Thanks for watching. Also, if you are interested and you want to, I have a second channel called RobMotive, all about my Jeep Gladiator back there. Check that out. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.